Om Namah Shivaya, Maa Prem Hridaya. We are connected now to the whole universe. Close your eyes and enter in the infinite, amazing, and wonderful love of this great moment. Wisdom is more. There is a wisdom that will bring all the answers to each of us. This is inner wisdom that is connected to the source. Wisdom speaks of belief from the divine fountain. This knowledge brings to us the ways to grow, and more beyond brings knowledge from divine source, the great hidden knowledge that we are inside our hearts. This is a moment of calming, deep, relaxing life that is coming to your soul. Close your eyes and connect with your inner wisdom. You are the light. Since the very beginning of this creation, you are the sound. Since the very beginning of this creation, you are the manifestation. Since the very beginning of this creation, you are here and now, but your soul is eternal, is traveling from the beginning, eternally, without end. Om Namah Shivaya, Maa Prem Hridaya. You like it, this video? Please share and subscribe. I love you all. Be calm, be happy, be joyful, be eternal, be aware.